Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Clover Charm in the latest update and push your luck by up to 10% while fishing. In this update, there's a new charm that called Clover Charm like this. This charm will give you a luck boost up to 10% and will work for 20 cards only. So after 20 cards, the effect will disappear. And to get it, just go to the Fisherman Island like this, and then just head to the utility store like this. This one, this one. And then in here you can buy the Clover Charm for 5 coins, for 5,000 coins. And then after repurchasing, just equip your charm and just start fishing. And this luck boost will active immediately and count toward your 20 cards. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can get the Clover Charm to boost your luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.